The Book of the Damned, by Charles Hoyfort, Chapter 1J. That truth is only another name for the positive state, or that the quest for truth is the attempt to achieve positiveness. Scientists who have thought that they were seeking truth, but who were trying to find out astronomic, or chemic, or biologic truths. But truth is that besides which there is nothing. Nothing to modify it, nothing to question it, nothing to form an exception. The all-inclusive, the complete. By truth I mean the universal. So chemists have sought the true, or the real, and have always failed in their endeavors, because of the outside relations of chemical phenomena. Have failed in the sense that never has a chemical law, without exceptions, been discovered. Because chemistry is continuous with astronomy, physics, biology. For instance, if the sun should greatly change its distance from this earth, and if human life could survive, the familiar chemic formulas would no longer work out. A new science of chemistry would have to be learned. Or that all attempts to find truth in the special are attempts to find the universal in the local. And artists and their striving for positiveness under the name of harmony, but they're pigments that are oxidizing, or are responding to a deranging environment, or the strings of musical instruments that are differently and disturbingly adjusting to outside chemic and thermal and gravitational forces. Again and again this oneness of all ideals, and that it is the attempt to be, or to achieve, locally, that which is realizable only universally. In our experience there is only intermediateness to harmony and discord. Harmony is that besides which there are no outside forces, and nations that have fought with only one motive, for individuality, or entity, or to be real, final nations, not subordinate to, or parts of, other nations. And that nothing but intermediateness has ever been attained, and that history is record of failures of this one attempt, because there always have been outside forces, or other nations contending for the same goal.